Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XDC from your Coinbase wallet to Trust Wallet. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking to move your assets securely, this 2025 update will help you do it quickly and safely. XDC, or XinFin's digital currency, is gaining popularity, and transferring it between wallets is a common task. But don't worry, I'll walk you through each step in simple terms. First things first, make sure you have both Coinbase Wallet and Trust Wallet apps installed on your device, and that you have some XDC in your Coinbase account. Also, double-check that you're on a secure network to avoid any risks. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to your XDC holdings. You'll see a list of your assets. Tap on XDC to select it. Next, look for the Send or Transfer button, usually at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. In Trust Wallet, open the app and go to the Wallet section. If you don't have an XDC wallet set up, add it by searching for XDC in the token list and creating a new wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check for accuracy to prevent any errors. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Review the details, then hit Confirm to send the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Always verify before proceeding. Finally, keep an eye on your Trust Wallet for the incoming transfer. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. If you run into issues, like a failed transaction, check for sufficient funds or the correct network. XDC uses its own blockchain. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay cautious. There you have it. That's how you transfer XDC from Coinbase to Trust Wallet in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.